Hey folks, John here, Roseman RV in Vernon, BC. Today we're going to walk you around this Vibe 308. It's a double slide bunkhouse. Really nice machine, a nice streamlined front end. Propane bottles are in behind that cover. Power jack, of course. Really good storage on these. All the Vibes are like this. You can see it comes with a barbecue. Nice sized awning. Got the wide track suspension. Door right into the bathroom, kind of nice. And here's your outside kitchen, of course, with a bar fridge as well as a sink. And on the back, it's got the fold down cargo rack, kind of handy. We're just going to walk through the unit itself really quick. These are nice and bright inside. There's the bedroom. And the TV, of course, spins around to the other side. There's the big TV. Horseshoe dinette. Always fit more people that way. So flush mounted sink and stove. Microwave and fridge, of course. Take a quick peek in the bathroom here. There's the outside door again. Tub and shower. And the double bunks on that side, single on this side. Room for a TV, all wired in, of course, ready to go. And a built-in ladder. We'll just walk towards the front here. And the entertainment center is there as well. Of course, all the goodies, air conditioner, so on and so forth. Alrighty, if you have any questions, by all means, give us a call here, Roseman RV, 250-545-2319. Have a great day.